In this video, we'll discuss the Spark Tokenizer using UnifyML SQL. Here, we use the NLTK Tokenizer with a UnifyML query. Now, let's see how to apply Spark Tokenization using UnifyML. Mention your required input table and specify the input text column. If you want to remove unnecessary words and focus only on relevant words, set the Remove Stop Words parameter to true. To save the output in cache, specify the output cache ID. Additional parameters are available, which you can refer to in the UnifyML documentation. Parallelism settings allow processing in parallel, and the number of partitions defines how the data is divided. The stop words parameter removes unnecessary words, ensuring only relevant tokens remain. The ngrams parameter defines the sequence size, and setting unique ngrams removes duplicates. If your data is already saved in the cache, use the input cache ID instead of the input table name. The bytes per chunk parameter defines the processing chunk size. To save the output tokenizer result to a database, use the Save to DB option and specify the output table name. If the output table already exists and you want to overwrite it, set the Overwrite Output Table parameter to true. If you need to save the tokenizer output as a CSV file, use the Save to CSV option and specify the output CSV name. These are the input arguments for the Spark Tokenizer function. Set the parameters as per your requirements and run the query. This query executes in the backend of the UnifyML server. The output includes the input table name, saved output cache ID, and input column names. Now let's view the tokenized data using the Show Sample Data function. Specify the input cache ID from the saved output and set the row limit to retrieve the top 8 rows. Run the query, and it will execute in the backend of the UnifyML server. The output displays tokenized words along with their frequency. By limiting the row count, we retrieve only the top 8 rows. Using this method, you can tokenize any dataset with the Spark Tokenizer function. Thank you for watching this video.